Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am very excited about this video. We are finally going to be doing a Temu haul. I have been watching so many Temu videos, it's literally insane. I'm obsessed. If you're not sure what Temu is, they're essentially an online marketplace, and basically everything that you could possibly think of, they have on there. They have clothes, they have home decor, pet supplies, beauty supplies, basically literally everything. And their prices are so affordable, it's honestly insane. They're always having like big discounts and sales, like sometimes their sales go up to 90%, so super affordable pricing. They also have like free shipping and free returns up to 90 days, and they accept pretty much all like major credit cards and debit cards, and they also do the pay later programs as well, such as like Afterpay. And they just have the cutest stuff. Like I swear I could just scroll on there for hours. I do recommend though downloading the app over the actual site. I just find it's a much smoother experience and you do get more perks as well. But anyways, enough chit chat, let's get into this haul. So the first thing I picked up are these Lenovo wireless headphones. I was super excited to see these on there because I actually lost my old pair of wireless headphones, and they look really nice actually. That's what the box looks like there. They look really nice and sleek on the box, but let's open it up. Okay, so it comes with the little charging cord, of course, and then the wireless headphones are right here. Oh my gosh, I love how cute and tiny these are. They are so cute. So that's what the actual wireless headphones look like right there. So basically just your standard wireless headphone. But yeah, these seem really good so far. They seem like really good quality right now. I haven't actually like tested them out yet, but I'm excited to try those later. But I just love the packaging. I think it's like the cutest thing ever. I love how tiny it is. It's very sleek. I was a little bit nervous about ordering something like this because honestly I really didn't know what to expect, but like I said, so far so good. I really wanted to pick up kind of like a variety of things in this haul, and that's what I did. But yeah, so far I'm loving this. Super impressed. You guys know me, you know I'm obsessed with slippers. So I had to get another pair, and these are pink. These are literally the cutest things I've ever seen in my entire life. They are so soft and cozy. Like, I just cannot wait to slip these on tonight. Like, as soon as this video is done, these bad boys are going on. So I went ahead and I got a size medium in these, and it says on the back here that a medium is a size US 7 to 8. I am typically a size 6 when it comes to shoes. I just didn't want my slippers to be like too small on me, because I find sometimes with slippers when you get your normal size, like they can be just a tiny bit too small, like the back of your foot is like hanging off. So I kind of wanted these to be like a tiny bit bigger, and I gotta say I'm really glad that I went this size because they fit perfectly. They're nice and comfy, they're not too small, they're not too big, and I just cannot get over the quality of these. They do have a hard sole bottom, and they're just so cute. Like, look at those, you guys. How adorable is that? I actually have a slipper like these already, and they're kind of like a beige color, but I just couldn't resist getting the pink. I can't help myself when it comes to slippers. Comfy things, I just have no control over. So yeah, love these. And also, you guys, I am going to have everything that I showed today listed down below. So if you want to go ahead and shop any of these, you definitely can, and it'll be all down there. And you can also use my coupon code to get an extra 30% off. Okay, next we have this bad boy right here. And this is actually something that I got from my mom. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It comes with the little instruction manual and then the actual product, and this is actually an egg cooker. My mom has been wanting one of these for such a long time. I definitely won't be using this because I can't stand eggs, but I know she'll love it. So that's what it looks like right there out of the plastic. I don't really know how to work this thing, to be honest. Like I said, it's not for me, but it does come with like multiple parts here. Oops, this little thing, that little thing, a little bowl, and then this, I guess, where you put the eggs, and the little steamer itself. But yeah, that's what it looks like there. Again, very happy with the quality of this. It is just like plastic on the inside, and then it does have like the stainless steel on the inside there, but it feels really nice, and like it's a decent size as well, so I'm sure she will love that. Okay, next, I think this is a little eyeshadow palette that I picked up, so let's open it up. Oh my god, this is so pretty, you guys. Look at those colors. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to open it up. They look so pretty. So it does have like a few matte shades, it has a few shimmer shades, and then it has what looks like to be some like pressed glitter shades as well. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to use it. Let's try the glitter here. Ooh, look at that on my finger there. That's just one of the glitters. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow, that looks so pretty. And these neutral shadows too, especially like the warmer ones, are right up my alley. Like, I just love shades like that. Okay, next, this right here. I had no idea what this was when I took it to the packaging. I was like, what did I order in this like fancy box? I was like, what is this? But it's actually a heating pad, and Listen, I am a stomachache kind of girly. I pretty much have a stomachache 24/7. It's a lot better now that I'm doing pretty much gluten-free, but it's still bad from time to time. So this is actually a heating pad, but it's also a massager as well. So you have different settings right here of the heat, so you go low to high, and then this button right here, it's the same exact thing with the massager as well. You have different levels. I just thought this was the coolest thing ever, and essentially you kind of put it on like a belt and then have it on the front of your stomach right there. It's just so cool, and obviously it is pink, so that just makes me love it even more. But I cannot get over the quality of this. I actually have already tested this out because I couldn't wait, and I love this. This was actually one of the things that I was most excited for, just because I've never really seen anything like this before. And let me tell you right now, this definitely helps. If you are like me and you have a stomachache like all the time, get one of these. It's amazing, works so well, and it's really comfortable as well. It has this part on the back here that's nice and soft, so it's not like uncomfortable whatsoever. It's really, really comfy. But yeah, you guys, I am so impressed with this. It also does come with the little charger as well. It takes no time to charge. This is one of my favorite things out of the entire haul. All right, next I went ahead and picked up some Flameless candles because I've been loving candlesticks lately, so let's open these up. So that's what they look like there. They look really nice. They feel good too. And I also really like the length of these. So you just unscrew the bottom here, and I believe it takes, I don't know if it takes one battery or two, but I think it does take AA's. Which of course I don't have any on me at the moment, or I would definitely test these out. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to try these out. Like I said, I've been loving candles lately, and obviously a flameless candle is just a much safer option for you, and they just also give you the coziest vibe ever. I love having a bunch of candles around my room, especially when I'm in bed. It's just like the coziest feeling ever. So yeah. Okay, so for anybody that doesn't know, I do wear glasses, and obviously when I'm not wearing glasses, I'm wearing contacts, which I am right now. And contacts just have the most boring case ever. They're just like a basic little white and blue case. Nothing special, nothing cute. So I saw this, and it's a little tiny contact case. Look at this, you guys. It has a little bear on it. It's pink, and I just think it's seriously the cutest thing ever. And then you open it up and it has all of the stuff inside. It's so cute. Let me show you guys. I don't want to blind you with the mirror up here, so it might be a little awkward showing, but that's all the stuff. So you get these things up here, and then the actual contact case down here. To be honest, I will probably never use these three things because I never use like any tool when I put my contacts in, but the case is just adorable. Obviously ours for the right eye, and then the left is a little teddy bear. Just so cute. And I love that the actual compact itself does come with a mirror. That's really convenient. Oh my god, and I just noticed the little bear is drinking boba. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, that makes me want one so bad. Oh my god. Okay, next, I've been dying to try one of these. This is one of those like lip tint things, but you peel it off your lips. I don't know if anybody's seen that, but it was like super, super popular all over TikTok, so had to pick one up. They had a bunch of different colors that you could choose from. I went with cherry red. A lot of the other colors were out of stock, but this is actually the one I wanted anyways. But that is what it looks like right there. I'm actually so excited to try this. I think I might actually do a TikTok on this, so if you want to see me try it out and see what it's like, definitely go ahead and follow me on there. I'll have it in the description box below. I was gonna swatch this, but it is a lip stain, so I don't think that's a very good idea, but I will try to show you guys what the product is actually like. So you can see it there a little bit coming out. It's really, really dark red. Oh, I just spilled it everywhere. Okay, I'm just making an absolute mess of things now. That's great, but yeah, now mine looks terrible, but that's fine. But yeah, it's a really, really dark stain at first, and then you peel it off your lips, almost like glue, and then it reveals just like a lighter color, and obviously it's a stain, and it just looks really cool. So yeah, very excited to try this out. Again, super cheap. Then I went ahead and picked this up right here. The box is a little bit squished, but this is the 2-in-1 Thermal Paper Correction Fluid, and essentially this is like when you get a package, obviously it has your address on it and like your personal information. This is to erase that basically, and it also has a what's it called? Box cutter on the other end. So yeah, this just seemed like a really neat product. And again, it's pink, which I love. So this end right here, you unscrew it, and that is the like eraser, and then you get this part with the box cutter, and that's what it looks like up close there, just in case you guys are curious. I love how small this is. I have been wanting one of these for so long, and I just kept kind of like putting it off and forgetting to get one, and then when I saw it on Temu, I was like, yep, I'm definitely getting that. I know for me anyways, I get a ton of packages, and trying to rip off the shipping label is one of the most annoying things in the entire world. So now that I have this, it's just gonna make it so much easier, you know? And I actually went ahead and looked at the reviews for this because on Temu they have a section where you can leave a review and you can look at them, because I wasn't really sure if this would actually work. I was like, it's not gonna be a little bit gimmicky, but people said it actually does work, and they showed like actual videos of them using the product and it seemed to work good. So yeah, very curious to try this out. Okay, next I picked up this bad boy right here, and you might be like, what in the world is that? This is a tongue scraper, and I know that sounds absolutely disgusting, but honestly it is a key thing to have in your hygiene routine. It just really helps with the entire like health of your mouth. So yeah, I went ahead and picked one up. Let's take it out of the packaging. So that's what it looks like there. It's actually a really pretty rose gold color. I love the way it looks, and again, very cheap. I went ahead and picked up some nails. I love me some nails. So I have two sets here. I have this one and that one there. This one is a really pretty pink, and then it has one with like a French tip and a heart. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but they are gorgeous. And this one here is more of like a coffin shape, and they just have like little pearls and hearts on them. Again, I'm not too sure if you can see them that well, but these are so pretty. I'm not sure how many nails you get in here. I don't know if it says. Let me see. No, I'm not seeing it on the box. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up and see. Oh, I forgot. I don't think I'm actually gonna use these like they're intended, but they come with this little sheet right here. And it has these little like gel things that you stick the nails on with. Almost essentially like a sticker in a sense, but it's glue, and then you just take the nail and stick it on. I don't know, I'm gonna try it out and see if it works, but I'll probably just end up using these with regular nail glue. And again, it still doesn't say how many nails you get, but let's see if I can try to count them because they're all like scattered. Okay, I counted 20. I'm not sure if that's exactly how many you get, but if so, that's really good. I can't wait to try these on. I'm not sure which one I want to do first, the pink or these ones. And the best thing about these kind of nails, just the press-ons, you do not have to spend a fortune and go get your nails professionally done. You can just go ahead, do it at home, save some money, which I love. So I only have a few products left, so let's do this one next. I picked up some earrings, and these look so pretty, you guys. So that is what they look like right there. What is that, like a paper clip? I think it is. And then you get this really pretty kind of like emerald heart there. So pretty. To be honest, I'm kind of boring when it comes to my earrings. I pretty much just wear gold hoops like all the time. So I've been trying to step it up and just have a little bit more like fun earrings. And I just, like I said, I think these are so pretty. They're definitely nothing like crazy, but I don't know, I just love the way these look. And they're not too big either. I think they're just like the perfect size. They feel nice and light. I don't really like a heavy earring, so I think I'm gonna really enjoy these. All right, next we have this right here, and this is, I believe, a liquid liner. This kind of packaging is my worst nightmare. I absolutely hate it. I go through liquid liner like crazy. Whenever I actually do my makeup, I pretty much always do liquid liner. And I like this one because it is a like tiny felt tip. And I just find those are just really easy to work with, really good to make like a perfect kind of cat eye look as well. Let's try it out and see what it's like. Ooh, that seems nice. The line is not very straight because I'm very shaky, but I love how dark that is. There it is right there. I think that's gonna be really nice. All right, and last but not least in this haul is this bad boy right here. But don't worry, I'm gonna have a lot more Temu videos coming very soon because, you know, I just could not order just this and be done with it. I had to order more, but for this video, this is the last thing here. And this is a lip oil, which I am very happy about. I love lip oils. Honestly, any kind of lip product I am obsessed with, but especially lip oils. I got mine in the shade Rosewood. I love the packaging. It's nice and like sleek and silver. Let's open it up and see. Ooh, this looks so nice, you guys. Let me show you up close so you can actually see there. Look how pretty that looks. I love that. The packaging is really, really nice. Let's go ahead and test it on my hand here. I can already tell right now that's gonna look so good on the lips. And that is what the swatch looks like right there. I believe they had 2 different shades for this, and honestly, if I like this one enough, I'll probably go back and get the other one. But I love the packaging of this. I love carrying stuff like this in my purse, and just sometimes like some lip oils and some lip glosses are just way too big, and I like to carry a few in my purse. So the smaller the packaging, the better for me. I also forgot to smell this, so I want to go ahead and give it a little sniff test. Ooh, it smells like mint. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm gonna love that. I know that for a fact. I'm gonna love this. All right, you guys, so that was actually everything in my first Temu video. I am so pleased with everything that I got. So happy with the quality of everything, especially for the price of everything. It's super cheap, so sometimes you're not sure exactly, you know, how the quality is gonna be, but everything, I'm in love. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. I would say if you're thinking about shopping on Temu, but you weren't exactly sure, I'd say go for it because I'm obsessed with everything that I got. But anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have Instagram and TikTok, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.